You're welcome to this training session. So for this training session, we'll be discussing aftershave production. We'll be making just a little of our aftershave. And here with me, I have my ethanol here. I have my ethanol. I have my menthol crystal here. I have my perfume and I have water. I have water here. So the ethanol that I have here, I have 250 ml of ethanol here. We'll be dissolving this menthol crystal inside the ethanol for it to dissolve well and faster. So this is the menthol crystal here. I hope you can see this is menthol crystal. So we'll just use a tip of this, just little, a tip of this menthol crystal here. In our perfume, we dissolve this menthol crystal before having our perfume, to it. So we want to dissolve. It's just for this experiment. So you know that if you want to do more, just refer to the training guide. Let's say in the training guide, I wrote 2 liters of aftershave production and I've given the measurements there. If you want to do 5 liters, that means you'll be multiplying by what? I hope you understand. So if you want to do 10, you multiply by 5. So it depends on the measurements you want. If you want to do a smaller experiment, let's say I have 2 liters in the training guide, just divide by 2. So it's very simple, as simple as that. And you don't need to rack your brain on that. Just take your calculator and convert. Straight up, you have your measurements for your production. So now let's move on. So we have dissolved the ethanol now. Dissolved it. We've dissolved it here. It has completely dissolved. I hope you can see it well. Yeah. So the next thing, we'll be adding our perfume. A perfume of 20 ml. So this is it here. I'll shake together. So this is it. So if you want to add your color, this is the time to add your color. You just take a little water, let's say 50 ml of water, put your color inside, dissolve it well, and pour it inside and mix it. That's all to give it color. But here I'm just going to leave it like this, transparent like this, for this experiment. You can add color, it's your choice, but for me I'm not adding color. So now the next thing is we'll be adding water to this aftershave. If you have any question, just refer to the training guide. Everything is written there. The measurements for each of those experiments that I've done here, everything is written there. If there's any question, then after reading the training guide and still have question, you can always ask me. I'm available. Yes, so this is it. Here is our aftershave. Can you see? So we have our aftershave here. Can you see? So this is our aftershave production. There's one thing I want to say. For this aftershave, you might still want a more peppery feeling. You can, if you want a more peppery feeling for this, just add your menthol crystal. That's all. If you want more fragrance, add more of your perfume. So that's it for the aftershave production. Thank you.